What's up guys, this is the Volcminer Mini D1 Pre. Hold on. What's up guys, this is the Volcminer Mini D1 Pre. Gonna do a quick unboxing, see what comes in the box. So it's pretty slow unboxing, here we go. So what we got in here is some foam. We got some silica, we can eat that later. We got a little, I don't know, some little piece of paper, no one cares. The miner's here. And there's just some plastic at the bottom or some foam. There's no power cord included, it seems like. Just some stats on this unit. This is 2.2 gigahash, 500 watts. It mines SCRYPT, or SCRYPT algorithm. So, you know, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and all the other fun little merge mineable cards. It's got a regular power cord at the back, so you can just plug it in the wall. Ethernet, two, I don't know, these might be 92mm fans, so it should be quiet. Some lights, and a couple little buttons. And yeah, it's a pretty small unit, pretty heavy. I think it's like 11 pounds, 10 pounds. The first step to set up the Volcminer is, let's just plug in power. So like I said, this unit only consumes 500 watts. We'll plug in the Ethernet. There we go. And then there's a little switch. There we go, let's turn it on. It's probably gonna make some noise. Fan's gonna start spinning. Some lights. Next, we're just gonna have to go on the computer and find out the IP, and then we'll set it up from there. It will take a little bit of time for it to pop up in the system. Yeah, so here it is in our router. We use Ubiquiti, you can find IP here. It's obviously gonna be different for everyone. So we're just gonna grab that. We're gonna go to it. We're at the Volcminer. The password is root, and then LTC@DOG. There we are. Yeah, so we're using via BTC. Let's go to dashboard. Via BTC, we'll just copy our pool information, paste it. The worker name, obviously yours is gonna be different. So we'll just name it like Volk, for example. Volk D1. Password X. Save. And the unit is pretty much set up. Now you just gotta wait for it to reboot and it should take the settings. And the fan's going crazy, so there you go. So now the miner is set up, and in a few minutes it'll probably start seeing the hash rate going, and then via BTC we could probably notice the worker being added in a couple moments. So anyways, that is how you set it up. So that's all there is to it. That's the Volcminer D1 Mini Pre.